1 month, 1 plan, 1 shop. How about that?
Welcome to Ebony, Ivy, and Time, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know that everything else is just gravy. Here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Time, we do things in the kitchen, for the kitchen. Your refrigerator top is prime property for lots of eye candy. I love beautiful tablescapes, don't you? A beautiful centerpiece says, "We knew you were coming, and we're so glad that you're here." In my kitchen, meal planning is important. 1 plan, 1 month, 1 shop.
That is the plan that I have been using for quite a few months now, and it works very well. So we are looking at the month of November. Now, I'm going to bring you in a little closer and we'll give you individual snippets of the month of November. Now, down in the description box, I have included the month of November, excuse me, and all of its menu ideas or cooking ideas that I'm planning to do within this month. In addition to that, we're going to take a look at our shopping list. Now, I'm also going to put below last week's video that dealt with, I think it was called A Day in the Kitchen, and it was actually an October day in the kitchen. And if you'll go back and look at that, you will see as I finished up the month of October that we're looking at our grocery list for this month coming up. Now, we have a very special holiday this month, and that's Thanksgiving. And it's a biggie when it comes to grocery shopping and cooking. So we're going to talk about some of our plans and how we'll go about getting all of that done. You know, every family has favorites, certain meal favorites that you have to include in your menu and on your menu for the month, because it may be that the children like certain things, that your husband likes certain things, and that you like certain things, or vice versa if you're the whomever the cook may be. Now, but we have to also look at the fact when we have a holiday that brings in a whole new plan and an additional plan. So we're going to take a look at Thanksgiving, and this plan includes the cooking and preparation for Thanksgiving. So let me bring you in a little closer. Now, I think I had thought I'd start with the other one, but I think I'll start with Thanksgiving. That's an easy one. First of all, we know we've got to find the bird. So we need a turkey, and some of you may opt for chicken. Now, I know that over that Thanksgiving weekend, we usually do also, not on Thanksgiving Day, but on Black Friday, we usually have fried chicken. So we're going to need chicken as well. Okay, on that Saturday, I usually have chili. So we're going to need some ground beef. So this is just strictly Thanksgiving weekend. And in the area of produce, I'm going to need celery, 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 lots of onion. I already have sweet potatoes. In fact, I have a whole case of sweet potatoes, so I don't have to worry about that. We've got celery, we've got onion. I have cranberry sauce already. Let's see. Celery, onion. You know, I think that's probably enough in that area. Oh, we need green beans. And I'll have to decide on whether or not that's going to be fresh or if we're going to need use frozen. And we're also going to have some greens. That's always at both holidays. We always have greens. So that's in our produce section. Okay, so our meat, fish, poultry is centered around the bird. Okay, now in thinking about the canned and boxed, um, I usually do a box dressing. I use a box cornbread just because it's even. It's easy to do, so I'm going to need some Jiffy cornbread mix.
Stop. And before we go any further, let me remind you, please, right now, go down to the like and click on like. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Remember, we do things here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen, for the kitchen. So don't forget to like the video and to subscribe. Thank you.
We're just looking at Thanksgiving groceries, and look at how that page is filling up already. We haven't even gotten over to our regular groceries. Now, under regular groceries, I know I'm running low on Dawn, and I'm going to be going through a lot of Dawn dishwashing liquid. I'm going to need some Cascade because we're going to be running that dishwasher quite a bit. I need some Persil new plan and an additional plan. So we're going to take a look at Thanksgiving, and this plan includes the cooking and preparation for Thanksgiving. So let me bring you in a little closer.
I am purposely just taking you through some of the things that have to be on our holiday table and finishing up that other grocery list, because not only do we have the Thanksgiving list, but we do have the regular grocery list of those things that are the everyday types of things that we need to add to the list. Now we're checking our list and checking it twice, and let's get to the bird. The bird is important. So I am looking forward to all of these great things that we're going to have for the holiday, and also just looking forward to cooking every day and having the family close. So I hope you're doing the same thing, because it's going to be fun.
Before we leave our kitchen today, let me say that again, that I have enjoyed having you right here in our kitchen. But also, please remember each day to light a candle and shine a light, not only for your family, but for those around you. And I'll see you soon, right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme.